In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your comments on LinkedIn. If you've ever wanted to quickly find comments you've left on posts, this is a simple way to get there right from your LinkedIn profile. It's useful if you want to revisit a conversation, check what you said on a post, or keep track of your recent activity on the platform. To begin, go to your profile on LinkedIn. You can do this after signing into your account by opening your personal profile page. This is the main area where LinkedIn shows your professional details, posts, and account activity. Make sure you're on your own profile, since that's where the activity section you need is located. Once you're on your profile, scroll down until you reach the activity section. Depending on how much information is displayed on your profile, you may need to scroll a little or quite a bit. Take your time and look for the section labeled Activity. This area collects different types of actions connected to your account, such as posts, reactions, and comments. So it's the right place to start when you want to review your past engagement. When you find the activity section, click on Show All. This will open a more complete view of your activity instead of just the preview shown on the profile page. If you only see a few items at first, that's normal. The Show All option is what expands things, so you can explore more of your interactions in one place. After opening the full activity view, you'll be in the section that helps you look back at what you've done on LinkedIn. From here, you can review your activity more easily and locate the comments you've made. This is especially helpful if you comment often and don't want to search manually through your feed to find old conversations. A good tip is to move slowly as you scroll, especially if you've been active on LinkedIn for a while. The platform may show a lot of content, so giving it a moment to load can help you avoid missing anything. If the page doesn't update right away, just wait a second and continue. And that's it. To view your comments on LinkedIn, go to your profile, scroll down to the activity section, and click Show All. It's a quick and practical way to keep track of your conversations and stay organized on the platform.